Hello Abaqus users. In this video I'm going to talk about a tutorial to explain hip joint wear by UMESHMOTION subroutine in Abaqus. I'm trying to make it easy and quick to learn the subroutine. To understand how to do that, stay with us. UMESHMOTION. UMESHMOTION has some variables. Some of them are inputs and some of them are outputs and some of them are state variables. But do you really need to know all details of this subroutine to do your project? Of course not. In any specific project, only some of the parameters are required to understand to do that. Hence, we have prepared a package for you, which is hip joint wear by UMESHMOTION in Abaqus. In this package, formulation of wear formulation is explained. The UMESHMOTION variables are explained in a separate video. The UMESHMOTION subroutine is explained line by line. The Abaqus model to solve the equations in the UMESHMOTION subroutine is also explained step by step. Also, we have described for you result extraction, and you will get in this package all Abaqus files and UMESHMOTION files. In this package, trajectory lines are also applied to a hip joint and all details are explained. You can download this package in the link in the description. Do you want more and you don't have time? You want your UMESHMOTION subroutine to be written sooner and you don't have time? That's fine. We can write your UMESHMOTION subroutine and teach it to you. You can order your UMESHMOTION project by the link again in the description. Thank you for your attention.